Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marsha here. So it's been a journey of watching others, aspiring, and so finally today I've gathered the courage and now I want to start my own channel. You know the way before you start a channel you always look at other people and you feel like you can do that and you keep on wishing but you're scared. Yeah, that's a journey everyone has to go through before they start something. So I also started there and today I'm starting my own channel. So this is a new channel and this channel is a lifestyle, fashion, beauty and vlogs channel. In this channel I'll be teaching you, or let's say I'll be sharing ideas with you on how to do different things. You see those things that they seem very complex and you wonder, or you tell yourself that those are things that can only be done by a specific group of people. I'll be showing you how to do those things in the simplest of ways. Like you want to style your hair and you don't have hair bands, I'll be showing you how to do that without the use of even a single hairband. There you want to go to a photo shoot. You've always been dreaming of photo shoots, but say you're nervous or you're scared or you don't know how you'll pose. I'll be showing you such things. I'll be giving you different ideas about the clothes you wear, how to match your outfits if you want to match and such stuff. And sometimes we'll be doing videos. You see, there's people who believe they have two left legs or something. So I'll be showing you, even if you have two left legs, there are those styles that you can dance and then people will look at you and they think you're a dancer, but actually you're not that much of a dancer, but there's something for everyone and yeah, you can dance. So as I start this journey, I just want this to be a home away from home. I want to welcome you all. Feel free to like my video if you feel like you can be part of this, and of course everyone can be part of this. So please show me love, give me that motivation, like my videos, comment on the ideas that you love, on the ideas or the what you think I can do or show you, or there's something that you've been wondering how to, you can share with me so that if I'm able to do it, or I can consult somewhere and then we'll put our heads together and do that. And then please share. You can ask tell your friends to come, and also like, comment and subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that every time I'll be uploading a new video you'll be notified, and every time I'll go on live on YouTube you'll also be notified, and then we'll have a nice time together here. Yeah, so bye. I love you all.